Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. On this channel we talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto, stocks and ways to multiply our capital. If you don't know me, I'm already in the crypto space for over 10 years. I made many successful early investments like BNB when it was just $2, now sitting at around $950. So multiple X's already just with this investment. Besides that, I'm buying Bitcoin since it was $350, and I'm also advising and investing in many crypto startups. Now let's go and check out the Bitcoin charts right here. We might see some patterns or indicators that will give us some clearance what will happen in the upcoming days. Now, Bitcoin sitting at $109,580. We had a significant dip right here. We dropped from, let me quickly show it to you, from 118k almost down to 108. This is 8%, guys, for Bitcoin. This is a $1 trillion asset that dropped 8%. That's quite significant. So many altcoins also dropped very much during this dip. We can see Doge down, even Link is down from was like $28, now it's just $20, so it's down around 30%. Many altcoins are even more down, so we have to be careful trading these markets. It's very important to use proper risk management. Don't open too high leverage positions, don't open too big positions. And I know it's easy to say and harder to do, because even I opened some positions that are too big for my trading account here. Like for example, this tower position here, I added around $17,000 of margin to this position when I should have added maximum for $5,000. That's why we can see here it's now down 27k, which it happens in crypto. It's not the end of the world. We can see here I also have some trades that are still massively in the profits right here, like the Ethereum trade or the Solana trade and the Doge trade and also Link. So I still have some nice profitable trades right here, so I not worrying so much. But I have to say, my account was much higher just 2 weeks ago. That's why we need to be very careful, and as always, guys, I'm telling it, it's very important to take profits. Like for example, here I took some profits on my Ethereum trade, on my Uni trade, also 10k, 16k on Ethereum, on Uni, and I took also here on Doge some, but I could have took more profits. I was a little bit too bullish. Keep your emotions in place. That's very important. Don't get any FOMO. Don't let FUD make you sell your coins at a cheap price. It's very important that you trade according to your strategy. And I have to say, I was a bit too bullish. I opened too many positions. We can see here I have 12 positions here on Bitcoin and altcoins, which could have been made a little bit more smarter. I could have, like, I have to say, like, these positions here, I opened them on the market. Would have been better to just set orders at support zones. Like that, I would have got a better price and I would have saved me some capital. That's very important to learn. And I have to say, learning is the most important thing in crypto, because if we learn, we make progress. And also having a trading journal and documenting everything is also very important, because like that, we learn, we progress, and we get better every single day. That's the most important. And if we compound our skills, we will make even bigger trades in the future. That's very important. Now let's go over here to Ethereum. Bitcoin right now consolidating, Ethereum as well, sitting above $4,000. That's definitely nice to see. I would like the $4,000 area to hold. This is very important right now. For now, let's see here on the 4 hourly. Looks like we are consolidating a little bit here. We are already forming some higher highs, which is not so bad. We have here higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high here, which is nice. And now we have a little bit of a consolidation phase. Looks a little bit like a bull flag, so we might jump above the $4,200 very soon. We are just basically waiting for a breakout of this zone right here. this might happen even now. Like we are literally on the verge of a breakout. If not, we will probably retrace down to this zone right here. You can see it's holding as a support zone, this range here. So let's see, either we're gonna break out here or we are gonna retrace down below, which can also bounce back up. So I'm still very bullish on the market, don't get me wrong. Now I'm just more careful with my positions. You know, I'm not literally just opening trades after trades. Like this was, I have to say, was very, very enthusiastic from me. That's why I opened so many trades, because my account was pumping, so I had a lot of margin, and I just opened so many trades because I was very, very bullish. You can see some of them are still good in the profits. Like, for example, here we have Solana trade, we have the IMX trade, we have the Ethereum trade. So I'm not worrying so much. Of course, I would have liked to take some more profits 2 weeks ago, but yeah, nobody's perfect, we have to learn. And if you want to trade like you see me do here on the VX platform, in the description down below, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Take advantage of this opportunity and start your trading today. With that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye. Bye.